How to know when a furnace is bad. A furnace rarely fails without warning. In many Murrieta, California homes, the signs show up slowly. Energy bills creep up. Certain rooms feel colder than others. Strange noises start happening at night. Recognizing these red flags early can help you avoid a sudden breakdown during colder months. One of the biggest indicators is age. Most furnaces last between 15 and 20 years. After 15 years, efficiency often drops and repairs become more frequent. Rising energy bills without changes in usage is another strong warning sign. If your system is running longer and costing more each winter, it may be losing performance. Uneven heating throughout the home is also common. Cold spots can mean the furnace is struggling to distribute heat properly. Strange noises like rattling, banging, buzzing, or screeching often point to internal wear. Excessive dust, soot around vents, or visible rust on the unit can signal combustion or airflow issues. Frequent repairs are one of the clearest signs. If you're scheduling service every heating season, the system may be nearing the end of its useful life. Comfort issues like very dry air or inconsistent temperatures can also indicate declining efficiency. A professional inspection can determine whether repair still makes sense or if replacement is the smarter long-term solution. In Murrieta, California, cooler winter evenings can place extra demand on aging heating systems. If your furnace struggles overnight or runs constantly during colder spells, it is a good time to schedule a professional inspection before a full failure occurs. If your furnace is showing any of these warning signs, schedule a professional furnace inspection with Airtime Heating and Air so you can make a confident decision about repair or replacement.